Hi viewers, welcome to our new video and you are watching Mechatronic Solution channels, and today's video we will learn how we can program or configure this DSE 4510 controller. How we can power it? You can see this one is a 1 number pin. We gave it is a negative voltages of battery. This pin number 2, I will put the positive voltages. So here you can see this one is my connector. I made this connector. Okay, so I'm going to fix this connector. So here was my pin number 1, 2. Okay, so here you can see the pin number, this is negative voltages, and pin number 2, this is the positive voltage. I fix it, this connector here. Battery switch on. So I will let you know how we can configure it. So before we go to the configuring, first we talk about these buttons. So these two buttons, you can see this is a arrows down and arrow up button. This is called navigation button, and this one is a reset and stop button, and here is written is a minus. So minus mean if you want to change the value of the parameter, so you can use this also button for decreasing the value. This is a auto stop and auto start button, and there is also you can see this written this is a check mark. So this can also be button for changing the value and save the value of the parameter. And this third button is for start button, and here also written is the plus sign. So it means we can also use this button for increasing the value of the parameter. Now we are going to configure this module. How we can configure it? First, for going configuring, we press this auto and this reset button simultaneously. I press this button. So now I enter the parameters which we can change. So first of all, I want to show you. Here you can see that the number is written 101, and here is these two signs, and here is a written also some values. So this is, we can see the screen, this screen brightness, how much brightness we can to keep it. We have this time 85, and this is the number of this contrast, because here not written anything else. So I have the manual, so you can check the manual in the descriptions. So you can download that manual, and there you can see where the number is 101. So it means contrast, the brightness of this screen, how much you can keep. When I use these two buttons, so this number, this value number will be increased 100. This one is used 100. You can see this is 201. When I press it again, it is a 301. So similarly, when I use this button, this will this is 201, 101, and by using this button, we will change our parameter by 100. When I use this button, this plus button, so this will increase 111. Like here is related 102, 101. So when I press it, so it is 102. Again press it, 103. So by one, if we change our parameters, we use this one. Similarly, we go back one by one, so we press this one. If we want to increase or decrease by 100, so we use these two buttons. Okay, like this. So 301 code is the input, analog input configured as a digital. And you can, as similarly, all the inputs you can check like this. All the inputs are written here, and you can check the figure what is the meaning of this one. Okay, this is the B input, written as B input, and its value is 43. This here you can configure according to your requirement, and here's parameter value will be changed, and you can, using the shop manual, you can check what is the meaning of this one, what is the meaning of this one, how much value you can keep it. So now how we can change our parameters? This is the first contrast. So how we can change contrast? If you want to down its value, so what is this auto button? You press this auto button and this will start blinking. After you want to, if it decrease, you use this button. So in this here you can see this will become 83, 82, 81. So in this way you can decrease or increase, you can decrease this brightness by using this button, plus button. So in this way my brightness will increase. Okay, and again I press this one, then this value will save. So now you can see it has saved the value. No, it's not blinking. If I go to the next product, so in this, by using one by one change this value, you can by using this button. Okay, so by using this button you can go. So this, what is this? It's not written. What is this function? This function is written 1, 1, 2. By using the manual which I have given down, you can download that manual and you can check what is the meaning of 1, 1, 2. So here can you see, you see written 1. This is a written 1 value. This is 1, 3, 4. And near 1 here can be written 0, 1. So 0, 1 mean if here is written 0, it means this function is inactive. If this written 1, it means this function is active. So if you want to keep it active or inactive, you want to change, you can change it. You press this one, no, it's blinking. So you can change it one, but this is, you press this one, it becomes 0. In this way you can change the value of any function. If I use, now this is a timer, this is a timer of parameters. You can to change this parameter, you can press this one, so you can see this one blink. If you want to time increase, so you can see before 6, 7. So in this way you can change the values of the timers. But which timer? 502. Yes, timer of for what purpose? You can check the manual. So what is written for? What is the purpose of? What is the meaning of the 502? So you have to download the manual which I have given in the description. So how much value you want to keep it? After you press this button, so your value will be changed. And if you want to change speedily, want to overview of all the parameter, you have to use these two buttons. If you want to overview the parameter one by one, so then you can use these two buttons. This is for engine fail to start. So in this way, this given the is a timer's time 10 seconds. This is the also timer. These are, by using this button we can check our parameter one by one parameters. Okay, so when your programming is finished and your configuring is finished, then you press this button little long, then you come back to the home screen. So now my module is in the home screen. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.